Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Google Docs document as PDF. So PDF is widely compatible format, it's popular and it's supported in many devices. So it is logical to have a PDF copy of your Google Docs document. And fortunately, you can get that very easily in Google Docs. So all you need to do is to open the document, and after that, navigate to the file menu, click download, and then select PDF document. What it's going to do is it will convert and then download the PDF file to your computer. If you have Adobe Acrobat Reader available in your computer, it is usually will open that document that just been created. For example, here I have this document that is pretty much the same as the original one. There could be some minor changes, but that usually not very noticeable, and most of the time your document would look the same as the original one. So yeah, that's basically how you can save or convert your Google Docs document as a PDF file. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.